Hello and welcome to Luo English Dictionary, and this is the 5 Luo Words a Day, and this is day number 45. In today's lesson, subscribe. In today's lesson, we shall talk about, where is my main scene? We shall talk about Amen, Amila, Amina, Aming, and Aminga. So those are the 5 words a day. If you've not been following this video channel, if you've not been following this 5 Luo Words a Day, please roll back to day number 1 in our playlist and you'll really enjoy it. The first word is Amen. Amen. Amen is a wrestling match. So 2 people wrestling, you say they are get to go Amen. Otieno tugo Amen. Kod owino. Otieno tugo Amen kod owino. So Owino and Otieno are wrestling. The second word is Amila. Amila. Amila is a jest or insolence. So insolence from kids, or insolence from adults. So for example, in the picture, this picture depicts some jest. And it's some conduct that is called Amila. Nyithindo matinde gi ohero Amila. That is in a sentence. Nyithindo matinde gi ohero Amila. The modern day children are very insolent, or they are very, very full of jest. Amila. The third word is Amina. Amina. This picture is not relevant for Amina, but I just put it for depicting the true sense. Twist is min. Min is twist. So, a twisted skin that was worn by men was called Amina. Amina. It was a twisted skin that was worn by men. It's no longer there anyway, so I cannot find it. The fourth word of the day is aming. Aming. Aming is a species of inedible termites, so you cannot eat them. The only difference between aming and ngwen is that aming you cannot eat. They are small termites, but they are not supposed to be eaten. If you eat them, I was told that your ears would get, I don't know. The last word of the day is aming'a. Aming'a. Aming'a is constantly or continually without ceasing. Also, it also means that longer than necessary. Aming'a might also mean without a break. Aming'a might mean too long. So, in a sentence, you can say, Ose chanda kod aming'a. He's been a bother constantly, or he's been bothering me for a very long time, or he's been bothering me longer than necessary. Ose chanda kod aming'a. Ose chanda kod aming'a. Great. So that is the end of today's video, and I hope you loved it. Please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're new here, this is the 45th video of the Luo 5 Words a Day, but we have other playlists of learning the Luo language, and we would invite you to subscribe and consider learning the Luo language in this year. This is your year to learn the Luo language. Otherwise, Oriti, goodbye.